It'd be in the 1980s when Daddy called and said, "Hey, meet us at my place. I got to go by the plant and check on something." And we waited. And when he came in, he had his radio on the side, his hard hat on. He'd been out there at Stratcor, which is on Malvern Road, and used to be Union Carbide. That's where he was a foreman. And he ordered ribs, and they came out smoking. They were hot. And he looked at them. He said, "I can't eat them." See, what had happened was Union Carbide had sent a man down there to run a cherry picker because they still had some involvement in the substation out in front of the plant. And although it said right there on the side of the transformer and all that, high voltage, the man didn't see it, and he stuck that cherry picker in that line, and it blew his spine and backbone and skull out the cab of the cherry picker. And my dad had to go out there and verify it because he was head of maintenance. And when he got out there, his ribs were smoking, just like the ones on his plate. We didn't know all that. He told me that. It was kind of like, but how many times in your life have you looked at the drug problem or your using problem and you didn't see the fucking print on the side of the fucking package that said, "This shit will kill you. It will blow your spine out of you. It will blow your spirit out of you. It will take things from you. You will be laying there on the highway, on the sidewalk, half naked, with sores on you, with your family over there looking at you, and you'll be dead. Fucking dead. Because you thought that you could do a little fentanyl or dope. Or you'll lose yourself. Lose your kids. Lose your job. Lose your place to live. Lose your faith in God Almighty. Because you didn't take time to read the print on the side of the package that said, "Danger, this shit will kill you." Think about that. It's called denial. We don't even see electricity, but we respect it. But we can see a package of dope and get us a needle. God bless you. Fluid English.